Good evening or magandang gabi. Tonight is Sunday or Linggo. Sunday is Linggo. Sunday evening, Linggo ng gabi. And tonight on Learning Tagalog, we're going to cover animals found in the Philippines, and I have Tagalog words here. I wrote down the Tagalog words of the animals in a band paper, and that's a lot. I also included reptiles and amphibians. So let's start with the Tagalog word for chicken. Chicken in Tagalog is manok. Manok. And a chick or chicks, a chick is sisiw. Sisiw. Monkey is called unggoy. Unggoy. A monitor lizard is called bayawak. Bayawak. A goat is kambing. Kambing. A frog is palaka. Palaka. The Tagalog word for kabayo is, the Tagalog word for a horse is kabayo. Kabayo. And dog is called aso in Tagalog. That's aso. Puppy is called tuta. Tuta. That's puppy. Or puppies. Mga tuta. Tuta. And a cat in Tagalog is pusa. Pusa. A kitten is kuting. Kuting or kittens, mga kuting. Don't worry about mga. I'm going to write it down on the descriptions of this video. Just click on show more to see that. And goose is called gansa. Gansa. A house lizard is called Butiki. Butiki. Turtle is called Pagong. Pagong. An alligator is called buaya. Buaya. A snake is ahas in Tagalog. That's ahas. A rooster is called tandang. Tandang. And for the last two, I have the Tagalog word for cow is baka. Baka. Also, baka has another meaning in Tagalog language. It could also mean maybe, pronounced as baka. Baka. But I also heard some people pronounce it as baka. The same thing with this, baka. If you wanna ask, let's say, I'm asking, is Joseph coming today? And if you're not sure and you wanna say maybe, you say baka. Baka. That's maybe. And if you wanna say cow, that's baka. Baka. And the Tagalog word for duck is itik or pato. Pato or itik. That's it for tonight. Don't forget to click show more on the video so you can see the spellings, the Tagalog word spellings for tonight. Okay, that's it. Good night.